Hi guys, welcome back to Chatters DIY. Today we're making a Game of Thrones gaming table, which I made for a couple of our friends for an extension they were having built on their house. It's a completely my own design, completely made out of plywood, 3/4 inch plywood, and it's really worked out fantastic. It's one of my favourite pieces that I've made. Unfortunately, because the table was so big and my workshop's fairly small, setting up a tripod and doing any filming just didn't happen. It was a pretty all-encompassing project time-wise, and I wanted to get it done because it was just taking over my life, and I was getting sawdust everywhere in the house, and the missus wasn't happy. So it's a slideshow obviously with the comments and captions. I've tried to keep it nice and short, but hopefully you'll still be able to see the design quite well and follow the process of putting it together. Hope you enjoy it and find it useful.